How to fix auto rotation not working on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, look for the lock icon with a circular arrow, which is the portrait orientation lock. So if it is on, simply tap on it to disable it, and if this is on your screen will never rotate, so make sure to turn this particular symbol off. Also, check if the app supports rotation, as sometimes not all apps rotate. So, in your home screen, simply use for apps like YouTube or Safari and it will rotate normally, and sometimes if you are playing a game, it might not rotate. And in order to simply break the rotation glitches, you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and you will see the option for display and brightness. Tap on it and then tap on the display zoom option you see there and make sure it is set to default and it is not set to larger text. You can then try to restart your iPhone and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then in settings again, tap on accessibility option you see there and further tap on the motion option you see there. And in the motion interface, make sure settings are not restricting motion behavior. And just in case, if your issue was not fixed yet, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. And further, go ahead and install any available update. And if nothing works for you, it simply could be a hardware issue, which is never going to be fixed by simply changing the settings on your iPhone, and you might need to visit Apple Service Center in order to help you in fixing your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix auto rotation not working on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.